Welcome back, everybody. Some exciting news. We've bought a new property. Is it this beautiful blue house behind me? No. Is it this garage over here? No. It's actually this empty parcel. We're going to be building a new shop, and this is where we're going to do it. The first thing about building shop is you got to make sure it's appropriate for what you want to do with it. This piece of land is actually zoned residential, but that's okay because it has an industrial overlay. What that means is that the land, the primary use is considered residential, in keeping with the fact that there was a house there previously. In fact, the neighboring buildings are all houses. However, if you look at the street, you'll see that down this side of the street behind me here are some commercial buildings. That's a roofing company on that side. And on the other side of the street here, this entire length of the block is all commercial buildings. So what the city's done is said, okay, it's all right to build a commercial building there because the character of this street is kind of changing, but they also want to make sure that it's still possible for somebody to have, if you, for example, if you own this blue house, that you could pull a permit to update your electrical, or if you want to build a deck or something like that, that you can still do that legally. So we've got an overlay. We had somebody check that out for us, and we're good to go. The next thing we did was call a surveyor because we want to be a good neighbor. We want to make sure that where we build the building is in fact our land. So I had a surveying crew come out. They've come out and marked all the corners. So we're good to go there. You'll see this pin right here in the front corner. That marks the front right. You'll see that that goes all the way back there. Let me show you the front left is marked here, and it is right up against this brick building. And then if you come all the way to the back, our land goes to right there, just short of this wooden fence on the back. And then over here, right, so that's the original surveying pin that's been there for quite a while, but they have marked it and confirmed that, yes, that is in fact our corner of the land. What that means is that on this side, we can build pretty much right up against the brick building. And on this other side over here, we're going to be held back from that building about 30 inches in this direction. I also met with the architect this week. We've been tossing around some ideas for how we want to build this thing. He is working on getting some drawings together, and I'm expecting to see those within a week or so. So as soon as we've got those, I'll start sharing them around. And we're looking forward to this journey and hope you'll follow along with us.